Hello everyone, big joy on the earth. Today let's talk about the brain. The brain is a mystery that only it can unravel. Despite significant advances, our understanding of the brain remains incomplete and misconceptions are common. For instance, the debunked theory that humans use only 10% of their brains has given way to the understanding that virtually all of the brain is active during its operation. Our exploration into how the brain functions, such as perception, thought, and memory, lays the foundation for understanding ourselves and the world. Many are unaware of what the brain requires, when it can rest, and the characteristics of memory during different life stages. Knowing this can liken to having full control over a highly precise instrument or tool, allowing for its optimal operation. If you are an adult, your brain weighs about 3 pounds and has a consistency akin to jelly. Yes, with the 60% the fat composition. It consumes 20% of your body's total energy for all thoughts, decisions, and processing, despite only making up about 2% of body weight. The brain's vast network of blood vessels stretches for about 100,000 miles. In its first year, a baby's brain grows rapidly, doubling in size. However, stress and negative experiences can cause the brain to shrink over time. A larger brain doesn't necessarily indicate higher intelligence. The correlation between brain size and IQ is weak, at best around 10%. The brain is divided into left and right hemispheres, connected by the corpus callosum. Each hemisphere controls the opposite side of the body, and the brain's pathways are cross-wired. The brain is composed of the cerebellum, brainstem, and the cerebellum, with the cerebellum handling most of the cogn cognitive and sensory tasks, and the brainstem managing involuntary functions like breathing and heart rate. Non-autonomically, the brain features the frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal lobes, each responsible for specific functions, from thought and movement to memory and sensory processing. Despite popular misconceptions, the brain does not suffer pain as it lacks pain receptors. Headaches are caused by reaction in other parts of the body. The brain is highly efficient, outperforming even the best computers, processing up to very high operations per second. Its neurons, numbering around 100 billion, communicate through chemical and electrical signals. Neuroplastically allows the brain to form new connector and connections crucial for learning and memory. Each brain is unique, shaped by individual experiences, knowledge, emotions, and behaviors. This unique and this uniqueness contributes to our complex cognitive and emotional landscapes. The brain's mechanisms enable complex tasks unrelated to survival, illustrating its incredible versatility and mm, cap capacity for learning. Boredom can strike the brain easily, necessitating emotional stimulation every 10 minutes to maintain focus. hence the popularity of techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Despite its susceptibility to boredom, the brain prioritizes survival needs above all. The brain never fully sleeps. It remains active during sleep, which supports dreaming, considering the manifestation of imagination and mental activity. Sensory integration, the blending of different sensory inputs, demonstrates the brain's complexity and the interplay between brain and senses. The brain's role in thought formation and memory, including the distinction between short-term and long-term memory, highlights its intricate operation. Maintaining brain health is essential, with hydration, sleep, and stress management playing key roles. Engaging in activities the brain enjoys, such as learning and physical exercise, can promote its well-being. Understanding and nurturing the brain's needs without overburdening it with stress can lead to a happier, healthier life. This comprehensive overview sheds light on the brain's remarkable capabilities and its importance in our daily lives. Thank you.